All right, guys, we got a little fix-it operation to do on the door here today. As you can see, the aluminum hinge is completely broken. So I have scavenged the middle hinge off the back door that we use less often. And we're gonna put it on this top hinge here. Bust off the rest of this rivet. All right, we're getting the door back on here. I am very sorry that I neglected to videotape the riveting of this door back in. I'm sorry to say that, of course, because it was riveting. So now I'm getting these little brackets in place right here in the metal frame. So this is what we're gonna try to fix, is this gap in here. Squeeze this in and then sink screws into here, and hopefully that'll hold it all together. As you see how much gap there is there now. For what it's worth. Oh, it shuts like butter now.